Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode corporate filings so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into a story about a company that was almost kicked off the stock market, but managed to get a stay of execution, kind of like a corporate cliffhanger. Let's get into it. This is an 8K filing from FiEE's Inc. These reports are used to tell investors about significant events. It's like a company shouting from the rooftops, hey, something important happened. The date of the report is February 25, 2025. Okay, so what's the big deal? Well, it seems FiEE's was facing being delisted, meaning their stock would no longer be traded on the Nasdaq Capital Market. Imagine a store being told it can't be in the mall anymore. This can make it harder for investors to buy and sell the company's stock, which usually isn't a good sign. The problem began when Nasdaq, the stock market, decided to delist FiEE's shares. FiEE's thought this was unfair, so they appealed to the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, which is like the Supreme Court for financial markets. They requested a review of Nasdaq's decision. To make matters more urgent, the company asked the SEC for an emergency stay, which is like asking the court to temporarily stop the execution while they consider the appeal. The SEC actually granted this request back in November, giving them time to consider the matter. Now, flash forward to February 25, 2025. The SEC decided to grant FiEE's request to put the delisting on hold pending a full review. The SEC basically said, hold on, Nasdaq. We think FiEE's might have a point about you not following your own rules. The SEC is still reviewing the case, so this isn't the end of the road. It's an ongoing investigation. The company's stock is basically in limbo. Now there's the usual legal language about forward-looking statements. Basically, this is the company saying, hey, we're making predictions about the future, but things might not go as planned. Everyone does this. So what does this all mean? Well, FiEE's has bought itself some time. They've convinced the SEC that there's a good chance Nasdaq messed up. This doesn't mean they've won, but it does mean they're still in the game. What's missing here are the financials. We need to see how the company has been performing. Without some actual numbers, we can't assess the actual health of the company. It's hard to say definitively whether FiEE's is a strong or weak company without detailed financial data. However, the fact that they're fighting to stay listed suggests they believe they have a future. But keep an eye on how this plays out with the SEC. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Corporate Decoder.